Hubli, a tragic accident claimed the life of a 15-year-old boy while filming a social media reel. Namish, the son of BJP leader Veeresh, was riding a bike alongside an Audi car when the accident occurred. The collision happened on Thursday at Sheja Wadakar while Namish and his friends were shooting a stunt reel. Tragically, Namish died on the spot. The 15-year-old had returned home to Hubli from Mysore, where he was studying in class 9th for a Yugadi vacation. Reports indicate that another 15-year-old boy was driving the Audi involved in the accident. Hubli Dharwad Police Commissioner N. Sasikumar visited the scene to inspect the site. A case has been registered at Vidyanagar Police Station and the minor driving the car is currently being interrogated. Authorities are also investigating the circumstances under which a luxury car was given to a minor without a valid license. This incident serves as a sharp reminder of the dangers of high speeding, stunt and reckless driving for social media content.